Hello, we will solve the next lab of the JSON Web Token attacks topic of the Web Security Academy. The name of the lab is JSON Web Token Authentication Bypass via JKU Header Injection. I use the built-in browser of Burp, and I also use the JWT editor extension of Burp. Okay, go to your browser and click the My Account link. Log in with the Wiener and the password Peter, and you see in the HTTP history tab there are some requests highlighted. That means that these requests contain JWT. We need the GET request to the endpoint My Account, send this request to Burp Repeater and switch to Burp Repeater. Here in the request section, go to the request line and change the My Account path to admin and send the request. You see we received an HTTP 401 unauthorized. That means we can't access the admin panel as the user Wiener. Go back to the request section and you see here the cookie header contains a parameter named session, and the value of this parameter is our JWT. A JWT consists of three parts. The first part is the header. Double click it and you see it is decoded in the inspector section. The second part is the payload. Double click it and you see it is decoded in the inspector section. The last part is the signature here, but this doesn't matter in this lab. Okay. First, go to the JWT editor keys and click the button New RSA key and click the Generate button. Leave everything as it is. The key size will automatically update it later, and click OK. Okay, switch to your browser and click the button Go to Exploit Server, and here in the body section put in a JSON keys double and okay. So switch to your Burp proxy and here to the JWT editor keys. Double click the key and copy the whole, oh no, not copy the whole. Right click and select copy public key as JWK. So that's correct. So go switch to your browser and paste it here. Okay. Now the next step is to store, and then you have to switch to your Burp Repeater, and here open the subtab JSON Web Token and resize the request section and go to the header section and replace the kit parameter with the kit parameter from your exploit server. Here, copy and paste. No, here. And paste. Okay. Now go to the end of this property ike, set a comma and add a new JKU parameter. JKU double quote, double point, and double quotes, and copy the URL from your exploit server. Copy and paste it. Wait a minute. Okay, so, and paste it here. So, okay, now go to the payload section, to the property sub, and replace the user wiener with administrator, and click the sign button. Sign. Select the key that you have generated in the JWT editor keys. Leave everything as it is and click OK. So store exploit server, and now send the request. Send the request, and you see in the response section we received an HTTP 200 OK. That means we have successfully accessed the admin panel as administrator. Now scroll down and look for the path to delete the user Carlos. Here, admin / delete username equal Carlos. Go to the request section, click the sub tab raw, and replace the request line. Admin to our admin delete username equal Carlos. Send the request, and you see we received an HTTP 302 found. Click the follow redirection, and of course you see in the browser we solved the lab. And in the response section, scroll down, and here you see the message, user deleted successfully.